Hi, I'm Tom from Honest Burgers. I'm one of the co-founders, and today I'm going to talk you through our chicken burger. It's one of the kind of lighter burgers on our menu. We've always used free-range chicken at Honest. We think that's really important, that we support highest welfare chicken. So we've got a nice free-range chicken breast, grilled, some tomato, some lettuce, mustard mayonnaise, our standard glazed bun, and some homemade rosemary salted chips. What we've done to the chicken breast is we have brined it. So brining is used an awful lot in loads of different types of cooking. It's used a lot in poultry because it adds depth of flavour, adds more moisture to what can be quite dry, especially if you overcook it. You know, chicken get really dry. So what we do with this is we mix it with water, sugar and salt. So it is 500 mils of water with 4 tablespoons of sugar and 70 grams of salt. We then dissolve that in the pan. Wait till the sugar and the salt's fully dissolved. I'm just going to drop this into the pan now. And then take it off the heat, and then you add 3 litres of water, cold water. So you do that so you don't have to wait for 3.5 litres of water to cool down. You're just mixing it in with a little bit of water, and then mixing in the rest of the water, so you've got a nice cold brine. You never ever put meat into a warm brine, okay? It's a really easy way for it to go off, basically. So the sauce that we put in our chicken burger is mustard mayonnaise. So we use Heinz mayo with a load of black pepper, so like cracked black pepper, and some Dijon mustard, and a little bit of lemon juice. And it's just, you know, nice, rich kind of nice sort of flavour to go with the chicken. So like all the meat in Honest Burgers, we cook on a flat top. So this is the equivalent of that, you know, nice cast iron pan. You want to get it sort of hot to begin with, drop the chicken in, lower it down a little bit. And we're looking for 72 degrees minimum with chicken. Going to take about 3 or 4 minutes each side. And we want to get a nice bit of kind of caramelization on both sides as well, all right? But there's no need to season this chicken because we've got all the seasoning and all the flavors have already gone into that brine. So chicken's had about 3 minutes. Just going to give it a little flip. Got a nice bit of color on there. Make sure it doesn't get stuck to the pan. Now we're going to get the burger made. So go with our mustard mayo on the base, then nice bit of green, some shredded lettuce, some little gem, and then nice slice of beef tomato as well. So yeah, it's had about 6-7 minutes in here. The chicken breast is nice and cooked. Gonna just take a little bit more of the mustard mayo, stick that on top, and then take our chips. So homemade chips, the only way in our eyes, but if you don't have time, you can't get the right potato, you want to buy some shop bought ones, you can elevate them by putting rosemary salt on. So we've been making rosemary salt from scratch since day one. It's really, really simple. You just need a bit of time. It's lemon zest, rosemary, and Maldon sea salt is what we use. It's put it into a pestle mortar and basically just smash it up. Give it as much time as you've got, and you get such an amazing flavour. Even on a frozen chip, although it's not something we would ever sell at Honest, it still makes it taste much, much better. So this is our free-range grilled chicken breast with mustard mayo and homemade rosemary salted chips.